Oh, these Flemish Giant rabbits are very active. Look at them moving around. Bring it down so you can see the details of each of them. They're popping already. Look at them go. Amazing how tiny they are. And look at my hand next to one.